How can we save energy at home? Saving energy at home is not only environmentally friendly but can also reduce your utility bills. Here are some tips on how to save energy at home. Use energy-efficient appliances. When it's time to replace appliances, choose ones with the Energy Star label. They use less energy and can save you money over time. Upgrade lighting. Switch to LED or CFL bulbs, which are more energy efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs. Also, remember to turn off lights when not in use. Seal air leaks. Inspect your home for drafts around windows, doors, and gaps in walls. Seal any leaks with weather stripping or caulking to prevent heated or cooled air from escaping. Proper insulation. Adequate insulation in your home can reduce the need for constant heating or cooling. Ensure your attic and walls are well insulated. Programmable thermostat. Use a programmable thermostat to set temperatures lower when you are not at home or when you are sleeping. This can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Maintain HVAC systems. Regularly clean and replace air filters in your heating and cooling systems. Ensure they are properly maintained to operate efficiently. Unplug electronics. Many devices continue to use energy when plugged in, even when turned off. Unplug chargers, appliances, and electronics when not in use or use power strips to easily disconnect multiple devices. Natural lighting. Make use of natural daylight during the day to reduce the need for artificial lighting. Hot water conservation. Lower the temperature on your water heater, fix leaks, and consider using low-flow fixtures in bathrooms and kitchens. Energy-efficient windows. If you are replacing windows, choose energy-efficient ones that can reduce heating and cooling losses. Reduce phantom loads. Electronics on standby mode can consume energy. Consider using smart power strips that cut power to devices when not in use. Cook efficiently. Use lids on pots and pans, match the size of the cookware to the burner, and use a microwave or toaster oven for small cooking tasks. Laundry efficiency. Wash clothes in cold water, and only run the dishwasher with full loads. Air dry clothes when possible. Plant trees and shrubs. Strategically planting trees and shrubs around your home can provide shade in the summer and act as windbreaks in the winter, reducing heating and cooling costs. Regular maintenance. Ensure your home's systems, such as the furnace and water heater, are serviced regularly to keep them running efficiently. Solar panels. If feasible, consider installing solar panels to generate your electricity and reduce your dependence on the grid. Energy audit. Consider hiring a professional energy auditor to assess your home's energy efficiency and provide customized recommendations.